Just finished doing my bathtub. Sorry, I interrupted. Wait, TPT. I have to wear this orange one. Oopsie. So I'm gonna brush my hair. Wait. Oi! No. Okay, brushing my hair. I need to be fast. Wouldn't make like it's invisible touch. Monday, Tuesday, I was in a working out. Thursday, if I ever say, but she put it on, I repeat. Okay. Turning on my left and I missed touch. Today I was independent. LOL. Lol. Siguro naman. Money talk. So my yaya is Bisaya. My mom is a Korean now, so she's driving to Manila tomorrow, and my little brother will go and fetch. Come to mom and will go come home with the Philippines. So that was the end. I mean, not the end yet. Look what happened to my brother's finger. He did like, yeah, he did like that. Put in my dog. My God, yan na. Oh, ako. May nagsagamit na ako. Ako naggamit. Ako muna. Ay na lang. Patapusan mo na ako.
Kailangan.
Wait down.
Tama ka. Sige. Alam ko ang
So, is the Filipino. My brother is Filipino. My brother is Filipino. So, I talk a little Filipino a little bit. But the Korean. How do they call my hair into genius? Okay. After class it's birthday. Hoy! Nanguhubak ka, short? I can't. I just don't like that. You're not hubak kind of short. Okay, so hi. Okay. Oh.
Sige kung paalam na lang.
What is it? Hello.
May palibre-libre ka pa. Imbis na nagpapapit ka dito.
Ay,
Daming
di pa.
customers doon.
Hindi yung pagkakas.
May balesa. Wala na ako.
Just, I just know that. Oh.